Today we are going to install an Elevate single hung window as you would on a new construction project. The bottom flashing was previously applied to the bottom of the window rough opening. Here is a list of suggested tools: hand drill, Phillips head screwdriver, flat head screwdriver, silicone gun, utility knife, leveling tool and a pry bar. Start by applying a sealant on the window fins along the top and sides. When pan flashing is used, you should not use a sealant on the sill nail fin portion of the window for proper drainage. Prior to installation, the window should be closed and locked with the lock and keeper devices properly engaged. Bottom shims have been placed in the rough opening. Now, let's set the window into place and secure it with one screw to start. The rough opening should match the call-out size of the window. For example, a 3050 window equals 36 inches by 60 inches. This will provide a 1/4 inch reveal around the window unit once it is installed in the rough opening. While the sealant is still adjustable, make sure to check that the window is level and make any adjustments now. Adding shims will ensure that the level window stays square and doesn't shift during installation. It is important that you don't over-tighten the window when adding shims. Now that you have confirmed the window is level, it is time to install screws through the nail fin on all 4 sides of the window frame. We recommend using screws that are number 8 by 1.5 inches. Screws need to be drilled straight and not at an angle. Screws are preferred over nails because they provide a stronger hold, allow for easy adjustments, reduce the risk of over-tightening, and prevent damage from accidental hammer strikes. The screws are in, but let's check that the window is level once more. Now it's time to install window flashing tape. First, apply to both sides, then apply the top flashing. Do not add flashing to the bottom of the window. Having an unsealed bottom fin allows for an escape route for water drainage. Make sure each piece of flashing tape is secured together and sealed against the window fin. For additional resources for proper flashing standards, please reference ASTM, American Society for Testing in Materials, Guidelines ASTM D779 and ASTM E2112. Now, it's time to assess the window's functionality. Ensure that it slides up and down smoothly, locks securely, and tilts open without any issues. Finally, remove any shims used during installation. That concludes our new construction window installation. Thank you for choosing Elevate Windows and Doors.